Kalau cak, kemai, kurang pak. Kalau dah pinjat tu, nak punya ke apa dah? Nak ada banyak pinjat. Sahai, makabok.
Layo, natat petana.
Sahai nak kata ni.
Abang.
Anak. Wala na. Turang pa ko ng dagat kayo. Kana. Usak kan tulog ka puspak para. Ay tayo. Ball paila na. Di na torche.
A little bit wavy. Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Nyatakan balon sa kiri. Kaya tarik ko nga sa kiri.
Boston! Oh! Oh, going over there!
Kamay una sa kiri.
Over there! Over there!
Elmel. Ay, Elmel. Pide. Ah, dah kena kay pide. Ay, balam. Kana ni krap din nakikan kon oh. Kasi program. Ya, ani krap. Di ay kuang prepare kuan hari nga may surol. Ini kuang ni eh. Prepare ka. Wala man tarang. Tagilid ba ni? Ato pikas, oy, tagilid ka. Baka ito nga.
You can kind of see Twassen from here. Right over there. Twassen.
Dagan yan eh, okay, naidagan ng lutaw. Nahanap magsigaw mo. Sa Pilipinas, patok ko ang dagan tao.
Yeah, I think
Are you sure? No sight?
that's there's no size of rockfish.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Check it
there's no size of rockfish.
Check it out.
First catch!
First catch!
Woohoo!
Yeehaw!
First catch!
Yeah. Closer to the rock. This is rocky.
You got it there.
Oh, I think
Whoa.
it's a big one.
Oh,
Sambot na ko ito. What?
Oh, ayaw!
Dako ayaw daw. Sabi na, dako ayaw na. Ha? Lingkan.
Abuhe!
No, go, tackle.
Kamura na nakabuhi. Tapos wala dyan.
Kasi
Oh my God.
they swim toward here. Kasi
Wala nakabuhi.
Kurang nasabot na ito.
Thing is, it's pretty deep, right?
Okay, na. Na.
Wala nakabuhi.
Oh!
Tignan, wala kabuhi.
Woohoo! Where's the nut? Where's the nut? Oh! Whoa! Woohoo! Whoa!
That's salmon.
That's salmon?
Yeah.
Are we allowed to take that though? Small, right? That's small though.
Unsa may nga salmon?
Green though.
Yeah, that is the lingkad. Yay! Aleng! We got aleng!
Yahoo!
Wait. Kinahanglan sukdon din na.
Oh, okay.
26 inches.
26 inches?
Yes.
Oh, it looks like 26. The other one was 40. It looks like the same as the other one.
Yeah, but the other one is kuan. That was centimeter, the 40.
Oh, this is inches?
This one is 65 centimeter.
Oh, nice.
Ang limit.
Oh, stop!
Wait. Yeah, it's a ling!
It's a ling!
It's a lingkad! Asa man to nako gibuta ko ang tip measure? Ha? Tip measure? Oh, dira. Measure. It's a lingkad.
It's a lingkad.
Yeah, need 26 inches or 65 centimeter.
Papa just wants a video.
65 centimeter.
Is it?
Oh no, it's not a keeper.
Not a keeper. Oh.
It's only 54 centimeter. 21 inches. Oh, it's not a keeper, but it's a lingkad. Yeah!
Second fish.
2 more inches.
This is
Wait,
my second fish
2 more inches.
that's your second fish.
ever. Second fish ever. Got a lingkad.
Woo, it's got a leng.
That's not big enough. Shit.
Okay. Picture. Pwede picturean. Oh.
You guys took another picture? I thought you took a picture.
Picture imong kwan.
Oh, with your phone?
Yeah. With your phone. With your phone.
I want a picture.
It's a lingkad.
I want a picture like that.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you picture like that.
Okay, wait. Or just.
Kuwasan ng taga.
Sunod mo gud mga kanda. Para sa to
How?
sa makuha.
Okay.
Dala.
I need to put this.
Okay. Just put it there. Kwan like this. Hold it like this.
Ani dapita.
Hold it like this. It's a lingkad. Yay! Ay. Wala sa kay.
What happened?
Hait ning kwan sa iyang
Oh shit. Are you okay?
hingabot sa tangon niya ko ang kamot. Wala sa.
Fuck.
You put in all the way out. It's already
To hold.
There.
Okay.
Okay, take a picture.
Picture. Asa man tog
Your phone.
phone.
Where's your phone?
There. My phone. It's a lingkad.
Before it dies.
That's okay. It's not gonna die.
10 minutes.
Oh, wait.
Only 5
We're
minutes.
still recording. Okay.
Oh!
No.
See, I told you gonna try.
Did you get the picture?
Yeah.
Okay, let's
You got the picture already?
I got.
Okay, throw it back. Alright,
Oh, picture
take
again.
another picture. Take another picture.
Good.
Before it starts moving again.
Ka. Okay.
Throw it back.
Yeah. Let's back.
Just throw it.
Yeah, turn. Hey. Okay.
Oh, let's do it slowly.
Yeah. Asa ang langoy sa ang langoy pa ilalam? Okay.
Not floating.
Dit put it back na. Ihulog og balik basig nay dagko.
Put it back.
Oh, that's a lingkad.
So we have
That was so close.
It's
Goodbye, your turn.
but it was just 21.
die.
That's okay. It's not gonna die.
10 minutes.
Oh, wait. Come on, good size.
There, don't you think?
Huh? Huh?
Getting close to the...
That's still far. Okay. Yeah. That was a lingkad. It's just undersized.
Yeah. I thought that was just a rockfish.
Yeah, rockfish doesn't have a size.
Rockfishes.
Huh?
Are there rockfish in there?
Inside there.
Yeah. 69.
69? Okay. Kay hinggawas na ng kuan din na. Kung pila ka
So,
feet.
Uncle Tete's fish is.
That's a salmon.
It's how long was it?
It's a salmon.
How long was it?
40 centimeter.
And the one I caught.
The one you cut is 54 centimeter.
Oh. But it has to be.
But it need to be 65 centimeter.
Oh.
So it's like, yeah, 11 more centimeter. Let's see, maybe there's a big one here. Maybe we can catch a big one. Still early.
Sakto tong kulit ikon.
Ha?
Pwede tong kuha.
Pwede to kay ang sukod ato is 30 centimeter.
Yes.
Pilay din eh.
One. Or how many limit?
That it's 2.
Two.
If that's a chum, 2. But chum o katong peng is the same size, 30 centimeter. Only the chinook is 62 centimeter. Chinook.
I'm gonna send this to myself.
Yeah. Let's see, ug makuha tong balay kinakaon na ri ako ang mita. Kanang dako. Nindot ug madako. It's a lingcod. So there is lingcod here, haning dapat. Birha, kay. Ay. Wala man.
Is that sea lion right there?
Where?
That
No.
Thing floating.
Floating?
Is that just a log?
It's a log.
Oh, it's a
I
log.
think it's a log. Not sea lion. There's a lot. It's a log. Hindi dapat naman po. No, hindi dapat.
Maybe we should move.
Just wait until
37 now.
37? Okay, let's move.
Here, let me do this.
Okay,
Bring
move.
it up. Here, bring it up.
Okay, just bring it up. Let's go back to that 100
I thought you said it was at
or
70.
70. Yeah, but we're going this way. So let's start to 100. Oh, kinahanglan laging itsikaon kay di ka kakuhaog manay sagbot. Ay na, unsaon pagkakuhaan naglingkad. Wala lingkad na yun na.
Dalong gamay.
Balik tahat tong 100. 120.
Tapos kuha. Ay nagpa.
Kaya anod man ta papuntahan ning mabaw.
That is a log?
That's a log. That's not sea lion. It's like the head. It's like head
Lion.
lion. Ipabitay na buhir na ti boy. That's okay. Where? Yeah, palanguya. Just gonna swim. Okay, let's go back to 100. See, naanang kuan nang mo diretsog down. Naanang lingkad hana gapuya.
100
Nagahulat og naay mayaging isda.
Lingkod.
Nahinay.
Ay, ako ada tuong. Nadala to na pan, pero to hatong pan gibili.
Ano man?
Atong truck.
What's that?
Oh, yeah.
Isda.
Papa didn't even bring his net
Oh, the net?
to pick up the fish if it's too big.
Oh,
Bira.
okay, maybe that's a kuan, the rockfish.
Rockfish.
Oh,
Yeah. Ah,
Lapad man.
Ay,
that
lapad.
fish.
Lapad.
another one.
Lapat.
Kasalibot.
It's pretty big.
Kasalibot. Kasi,
Yeah.
yeah. Basta, gamay man na iyang kuan, gamay man na iyang taga.
Damay man lae.
Hindi mo nang igo-igo, makakuha siya.
Yeah, recording now. This is fish. Hopefully this is a good size, keeper.
Hopefully it's lingkod, ling.
Oh man, smaller.
Or is it the same?
Nahulog ako ang kwan.
Is it the same?
No, it's a smaller.
Oh, it's smaller.
Oh man,
But it is a lingkod.
it's a ling.
Hey!
It's a ling.
You want a video with it?
But that's a smaller.
In a picture?
Picture.
This is a video.
Huh?
Put it
Oh, but it's too small.
small though.
Maybe that's not even 20 inches.
We got one.
Uh,
They're here. That's
it's not
for
a
sure.
keeper.
Oh, man.
We don't have the thing. Oh, kuha ng net. Ay, ni haning net.
Oh, from your
The small net.
one? What?
Oh, okay, I just put in there. It's a ling. But it's not a keeper though.
It's not a keeper.
Kuan, katong tip me sir. I think this is under even under 20 inches. No, it's there. At the side. Anang gear. Anang gear. Tiboy. Tip me sure? I think I put in there. No, I didn't put in the box. Not there? Nahulog dagway. Bibi nahulog. But I didn't put it in the box. Huh? I didn't put in the box. Nahulog siguro tiboy. No. Hanang bakit tiboy, basig naa sa bakit na hisulod. No, aring bakit nga gisuda hana tiboy nga bakit. No? Hanang kilid anang bakit?
Put it in there by accident, Put something in here.
No, I didn't put it in the box.
Put something in here. No, this fell. Oh, that was the ball.
Huh?
Is it in here?
No.
Or is
No.
it over here?
No. Nahulog guro kaya
Over
ako
here?
gibutang ta ako ng kilid eh.
Here, come. The fish is gonna die.
Ha?
It's a good size, keeper.
Hopefully it's lingkod, ling. Oh, it's smaller. Or is it the same? Is it the same?
No, it's a smaller.
Oh, it's smaller.
Oh man,
But it is a lingkod.
it's a ling.
It's a ling.
Ling.
You want a video with it, bro?
But that's a smaller.
In a picture?
Picture.
This is a video.
Huh?
Put it
Oh, but it's too small.
small though.
Maybe that's not even 20 inches.
Yeah. We got one.
Uh,
They're here, that's for
not a
sure.
keeper.
Oh, man. Oh.
You don't have to think. Oh, kuha ng net.
What?
Ay,
net?
haning net.
Where?
Bra.
Oh, from your
The small net.
small one? Why?
Oh,
Yeah,
I
just do that.
put it in there.
Yeah, put it in here.
Yeah, it's a ling! It's a ling! But it's not a keeper though.
It's not a keeper,
Ay,
though.
kwan, katong tape measure.
Where's the tape measure,
I
Uncle
think
Freddy?
this is under even under 20,
Maybe in the box?
20 inches. No, it's there. At the side.
What side?
Anong gear?
No, dili.
Anong gear?
Kaya, there's no kuan here.
Tape measure?
It's not tape measure.
I think I put in there.
Maybe it's in the box.
No, I didn't put in the back. Not there. Nahulog the bike. Ah, meron.
Hulog?
Hindi nahulog.
No, not
But I didn't put it in the back.
Tada.
Huh?
You don't put in the box?
I didn't put in the back.
Oh, I don't know.
Nahulog siguro ito boy.
Kasi yung bucket?
No. Hanang bakit ito boy. Basit na sa bakit ng sulod.
It's bucket.
No, aring bakit nga gisud. Hanang ito boy nga bakit.
It's bucket? Oh, the bucket?
No?
No? Anang kilid anang bakit. Yeah, it's a Lincoln. But still, yeah, it's still undersized. Okay.
here.
Okay. Okay. Time to go back. That's even smaller than earlier. Maybe that's under 20 feet.
But they're here.
But they're here.
What is it? Oh, 64. So like 70, yeah.
So they're here. You just need to get the right.
We're 64 now, but we're moving.
Yeah.
We're around 70.
Yeah.
We're around the 70 mark.
So it's around 70. So it's just like earlier.
Yeah. They're all over there.
Yeah.
Right over there.
They're all this. But we need the big one. The keeper.
We need a keeper.
We need the keeper. I want some fish. Ha? No, ganiha ba to? Yung sangit sa bato ganiha. Pusing kurog-kurog man. Pag bira na ako kay mo bira magbalik. Italing! Italing! Yeah, there's a lot of blinker that's undersized too.
Yeah.
In that video that I watched.
Oh, okay. So they caught a lot of undersized.
Yeah, they cut a lot of undersized too. Come on, good size.
Really?
There's a silayan?
Or is it just that log again?
Oh, that's a log.
That one? That's a log.
Fif-
Oh, we're at 51.
We're at 51.
Do we move again?
I need to move again. Oh, you drive?
We drive?
Yeah. Oh, just wait. Kaya mo pa'y paghulog.
Oh. Just wait a little bit.
Wait a little bit. 5 minutes.
We're at 59. It's okay.
Maybe the dad is still there in the bottom.
Somewhere there.
Five minutes.
5 minutes.
The flat again, the flat.
Come on,
Bye.
Lincoln.
Bye. Come on, come on.
Come on, no, just be a Lincoln. Big one.
Come on. Lincoln keeper.
Ah. Very small.
Oh, labay.
It's so small.
Oh, that's so small. Yeah. Labay, labay.
Gamay.
Very small.
Okay, at least. Cut. Oh, sangit or kuan? Sangit ng dagway. Ay, sangit dito.
Wow.
Keeper. Kind of heavy.
It's kind of heavy.
Come on, keeper.
Kind of heavy.
Come on, keeper. It's kind of heavy.
Where's the measurement though?
Come on, keeper.
I couldn't find the measurement.
Ah, wala to ikit itong measurement?
Nope.
Maybe it's on the floor. Come on, it's keeper.
It's really far though, Pa.
Heavy.
It's
Yeah, it
really
is
far. It's so deep here.
It's far. Ah. Come on, it's a keeper.
You sure it's not in your pocket, Pa? Come on, give us one keeper.
Keeper. It's heavy.
It's heavy.
Oh, yeah.
It's so far though, that's the thing. Gets tiring.
Tired? No, that's heavy.
It's heavy.
Oh, big one.
Big one. This is heavy. This is big one.
Asa lagi patong din mo? Nahulog sa tubig.
Wala.
Are you sure it's not in your bag, Pa?
Bakit eh?
So
This is
far.
big one.
So
This is
far.
big one.
Because it's heavy.
This is big one. It's heavy. Keep it heavy here. Or I'm just getting tired.
Tired?
Keep it here or getting tired.
Yeah, it's tired but it's quite
Almost
heavy.
there.
I don't know, it's 200 feet.
Oh, this is 200 feet.
Yeah, pretty much. It was 190.
Oh, there we go.
Oh,
There we go. There we go.
oh. It's a rockfish, but it's huge.
Oh, that's it.
Whoa!
Is that-
That's a big rockfish.
Oh, huge.
That's right.
Oh,
Oh, that's good keeper. That's a keeper.
That's a rockfish, right?
rockfish.
Okay, then it's a
It's a
keeper.
keeper.
It's a
Oh,
keeper.
it's a keeper.
Woohoo!
Okay, it's okay. Wala. It's okay. No need to size.
It's tiring.
It's not a lin
No,
though.
because it's
Not a
too
lin
big.
cut.
It's not a lingkat.
It's too big.
Put it to your face.
Oh, look. La.
That's a big rockfish. Oh, be careful. Don't want to lose it.
Very big.
Can you pick it up somehow?
It's not,
Now bigger than mine.
it doesn't open his mouth.
Mine is the smallest.
It doesn't
We have
open
three.
his mouth.
We have 3 of those.
It's a keeper.
Just hold it from the string.
Keeper. La. No, makon unya. I hold it today.
The string
Keeper
again.
anyway.
Pass it here.
It doesn't open its mouth. Hey, open your mouth. You.
Nahulog siguro.
Wala. Na, yeah.
But it's a keeper, so it doesn't matter if it dies.
Yeah.
Keeper. No, I didn't put in my bag.
Maybe I put it back here. The storage.
Wait, I thought you were going to hold the fish.
In the bag, yeah, but
Maybe I put it back in the storage. I don't look in the storage.
oh,
Maybe I put it back here.
That's a big rockfish.
it doesn't open its mouth. This is a big rockfish.
Whoa.
See? Oh wow, that's
Huge.
Do you want a picture too?
Yeah, we're pulling. Yeah, we're pulling balik. It's a ling! 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 Come on.
How far is it?
Huh? 160.
Oh, that's still almost 200.
maybe that's it.
Yeah, so maybe it's kuan na na. Ron. Maybe halfway already.
Yeah,
Can I
you have
move?
to go.
Ya mo balik sa amo birazag ko an. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, Ling. Come on, one keeper.
Where is it?
Oh, it's big one.
Another rockfish.
Rockfish, makabuyon niya. Tulad, tulad, tulad. Oh, it's another big one.
I got a rockfish.
Oh, that's huge.
Big one.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
It's bigger than the other one. It's a keeper.
The keeper. Yes. It's a keeper.
Yeah, they're really close to the bottom.
That is huge.
They're all really close to the bottom.
Yeah, it's really in the bottom.
What I do is I just keep letting it hit the bottom.
That's
and
why
then
it's
I
a
reel
bottom
it a little
fish.
bit, then I hit the bottom again. Then I reel it a little bit.
It's so big.
Okay, now we have 4.
It's huge.
One more.
Can
We
you
got
do
one
it?
more. We got one more.
Stop it now.
Rockfish again. Big one again. Let's see. Let's see. We need 2 more.
After this one more.
After this one more. Big one. After this one is one more. Big one. Come on, big one, big one. Big one.
I want it to be a link cut though.
What is no lingkad, but it's big one, it's okay. Come on, come on. Come on, big one, big one. It's big one again. It's big one again. Yes. Big one again. Yoo-hoo.
No more.
Yoo-hoo.
Number 5.
Big one again. Holy, that is really good. Pagkanindutan sa bawan eh.
Ganun anak nga kuan mo, naganday mo kuan. Okay, ganun anak, pag rockfish.
Rockfish.
Paliti ko ganun anak, pila na ko sa kakuan.
39.99.
Paliti ko usa.
That's
I have
big
to give
one.
you 50 bucks first kasi kabayad atong parking.
Ay, kato pa dahil imuhang sweet notes.
Oh, sa sunod na to.
130.
I'm gonna give you 50 bucks later katong.
Are you gonna unhook him?
Kinadakuan ka itong usa. Saan itong usa? Gisipti na?
Safety na.
Ay, kanay, pwede? Kulang. Wala, kulang na. Kanang na. Sulay na. Kuha nang. Sulay ko nagsukod na. Tapos itong ihulog ning duha. Kikirabdap. Kinadakuan kayo rin usa. King size.
Sakto? Ako itong wala ka bot?
Wala.
Yan man Elmer.
Okay, maybe there's one big one.
One big one. Come on, just one big one. We don't need a lot of small one.
One big one is good.
Just need one big one.
Oh,
Whoa! It's a lot!
Oh,
Whoa! Elmer man eh! Elmer! Elmer man eh! Katong corner oh!
That one big, I think.
Katong sa corner! Dako!
Amira.
Elmer man eh! Elmer man eh! Kana! Dako! Uy!
Kanay.
Mudalagan ang dako!
Kabot na gani oh, dako ni.
Kana! Murag dako na! Katong... Oh, katong hatong corner, dako kay itong hatong corner. Kana, pasakod na. Kanang na, sugda na.
Baby.
Sugda na. Katong hatong corner. Dako tong hatong corner.
It might still. Oh, almost.
Almost? Kara, dako na te.
Very close.
Kana, dako na. Mas dako na ka to.
Kani no nagway.
It might be a little bit.
Kanang nasa corner oh.
Yeah, so stick with
So it might be. Yeah.
Ah, woohoo! We got 3. Another one, another one.
Oh yeah.
Elmer man eh.
Kani gamay ni.
Ah, gamay na, ilabay na.
Kani gamay.
Gamay na. Katong sa corner oh, dako tong sa corner.
Kani gamay.
Ay, yan pa oh, yung dadong. Oh, dako dyan na. Katong sa corner gahayang.
Kani.
Gamay na.
Ha? Dako na.
Kanang gahayang. Oh, try. Hala, dok.
Was kan ah?
No. Try.
Almost 10 times.
Nakaupat ka ba?
Di pa isa. Kana.
Another one.
Kana.
Try.
Small.
Okay, pilaw lang buok to.
Oh, balik ka na.
5 kabok. Wala labot ng red.
Wow.
Di hulog ka na, balik ka.
Ibalik tayo. Naitunga na eh.
Dire.
Tara.
Kulat sa, kuan dyan dagoy ta.
Yeah, we moved a little.
You move a little bit. Sa, matras ko gamay.
Atras ka kamay. Para ka upat ka ba?
4 kabok brown.
Upat brown.
Plus usang red.
So all together,
5 brown.
Oh, daan
And 2 red. Kuha mo na!
Ako, tabik.
Okay.
Oh, sa garment.
that's it.
Hana?
Klaro kayo.
Ako! 2 na kabok!
Another one.
Another one!
Ay wala.
Wala, kulang rin. Kanang na. Kana. Dako na.
Another one.
Suli na!
Try.
Try.
Yan na.
Dapat kayo.
Yan na! Tulog kabok! Nawalo na kabok! Ay, kana, suli na! Hala!
Ay lapaw. Kuan kayo po. Oo.
Upat!
Natay ko na siya.
Nanay siyam! Gawas-awas! Nagawas-awas sa Balde! Nagawas-awas sa Balde!
Di ka madungog na imong kuan sig katawa.
Nagawas-awas sa Balde! Ha?
Laki.
Nao ka na!
1 crab trap.
Habuan ng sanilas, anak!
Haba.
Habuan ng sanilas kay napidaghan na to!
Buana.
Siyam na kabok!
Tangan.
Nanay siyam kabok!
Nakap bag gamay.
Ha?
Bag hana, bag.
Kana, isulod!
No, pang kanang gipanghabwa ba?
Asa?
Isulod ang kuan plastic.
Oh, kanang gipanghabwa. Isulodhan na ilalom na kay mga kuan man eh. Hari nang suga, kanang suga. Malatsa.
Ani, sama ni.
Pauna og working tomorrow.
Almost working tomorrow?
Yeah.
Sunday.
Ay, iyang schedule na so.
Oh, nasa dako.
Naana sa dako! Naana sa dako!
Kani dako kani no.
Naana sa dako! Hala! Mutuyo ko. Naana sa dako! Ala!
Puti sigurado ni.
Kanang naa. Na, try. Ay, wala. Kane sigurado ne. Sigurado na. Siyam. Pulo. Usala.
Tara.
Nila. Nag-aawas-awas sa balde. Nag-aawas-awas sa balde.
Oh, lapo kayo.
Lapaw kayo.
Gamay. Ay,
Lapaw kayo.
saking gamay.
Umulking. Usarahan eh. Usara. So, siyam na.
Pwede kana og tungkon.
Unsa? Nga naman.
Unya.
Dili ta ka kuan abot og 20. 20 ja limit na to. Daga na. Nanay bulok ka buok. Nasaan itong taga?
Hoy,
Go to the next
PC,
one.
down, PC, down, PC.
Lalom ang DC.
Go to the next one.
Hari, lalom, anak.
Dili man gud ako nang PC kay di man ka maon tawha mo balag uhipos ang PC.
Basta nahipos ro. Man baatag tarong.
Batan og tarong unta kay parang dili magasala. Ah. Okay, kay natay bulo na kamo, kulo na.
Yeah, bonus ron kay
Anniversary. Anniversary man ron god.
Batuon din ni ugma.
Totoo na ugma.
Ban.
It was floating.
Ha? Floating?
Oh yes, floating.
Oh.
Oh, tuwa diha ato.
Binakog mo.
Don't move off. It's under.
Wala na na. It's neutral na.
Kayo din, floating man din na.
Floating.
Di man din bulundag.
Sige. Sige, bira. Sige, bira.
katulon eh.
Ketulah. Di mana daghan nak daghan.
Yan.
Be. Puntan awon be. Ah, litsi. One big one. Litsi.
Oy,
Kada ko banda ko kayo na usa.
ano to? Oh, ikaw pat niyo, siguro.
Kamay na.
Na, may siguro na.
Gamatoy re. Yo. Pero po sukdaw sa kay. Undag maabot.
King crab ganun.
King crab. Kayo kila dakuan kayo. Nan. Sugda. Ako'y bata ni. Sige, buhe. Ano man ang sangit? Oh. Day. Ay. Oh, gamatoy itong nakabuhe. Bantay kayo na yung makabuhing dako.
Labay ng gagmatay oh.
So, gagmayon ng lusot.
Oh, klaro kayo oh.
Ah.
King crab.
Ato.
Sa tius ako kay ni.
Kanang naang usa kay kinadakuan kayo.
King crab yun eh.
Kinadakuan kayo.
Oh my gosh.
Sabi ko, nakuha na.
Naag ka na oh. Hapit na mo eh.
Oh, so close.
Dili mo lakwan eh.
Oh, labay ka wala mo kuan. Naik ka nang dako kayo.
Ano ba? King crab.
7 inches. Hapit mo 8. 7 ano na up.
Tulog ka ni. Kabot ni.
Yeah, abot to.
Kabot. Ah, tulog ko.
Kabot ka. Gawas.
Batik na igagmayng kuan. Ag nangahulog.
Oo, nang ginapan.
Gilabay na.
Hindi mo na.
Awas. Nan perting dako kayo tong usa. Oy,
Kabawi kita ron.
Abri.
king size. Na,
Abri oh, kare kana ana.
dako kayo tong kuan king size. Hare. Ato ta tong sunod. Tara. Atong sunod. Pil ka bok tulo.
Wala na.
Gani upat, usa tapos tulo. 13 na. 13 na ka bok.
Duwa ka pula, 15.
Kina 15. Agoy malaba mahilabay man dagway ng pula. Agoy mahilabay man dagway ng pula ug manay daghan ani ron. 13 na ka brown. Okay, 13 ka brown. 13 ka brown. Na pay tulo ka bok tibawunon.
Duha na lang.
O doon lang? Tulo na. Oh, okay. Ah, again. Anda. Are.
Wala lube.
Nun anak mana.
Lube wala.
Birahon isulod ning niya. Ay, bira pa.
Mayroon ko na.
Yeah. Isulod dito.
Raan. Wala pa dito nga oh.
Okay, isulod nang na may taas nga kwan ani oh. Okay, kana sunod. Hop. Saan na si corner?
Think sa.
Patay.
Oh no.
Nabale. Ato ang sukod.
No, you can still use it.
You can still use it. Oh my God.
Too excited.
Sobrang
So
kinagkol.
excited. Nabali ang sugod.
Sobrang kinagkol.
Nabali ang sugod. May gani kay kwan oh. Oh my goodness. Wala ko'y tip ra ba to ha tong oh na ay tip deh anak. Gamatoy na.
Kare oh. Dah, ako gunit. Kay duha man naglaban, kinangan do ka kamot na gunit. Ano ko oh?
Durado.
Ko sagrado kay.
Ay sigurado kayo.
Gamay na kayo.
Ay gamay ayo.
Gamay.
Usara kanang nahan. Ah gamay na. Tapos na pa'y usabilin. Buang-buang na bali hinuon ni ako ang kwan. Dugay na kayo na. Nabali hinuon. Inglodhan. Ginog na pa ba kayo usara?
That one had
No,
a lot
wala are.
before.
Wala 16 na. Total.
16 in total na.
Too full.
16 total na. So lucky day. We have dagko nga kuan. Isda. Agoy. Sigunero natangtang mo kuan. Okay, one more.
Mahulog. Padol pag kayo hato kay mo. Toyok. May
Masangit,
oh,
masangit.
Ayo ipadol.
Gamay. Sila. Na, anak Rosa.
Ano lang.
Layo man kayo itong katapusan day oh.
Isa. Wala na.
O giano ta.
That's the one that had a lot though,
Yeah, that's the one we
Yeah.
one. We moved that one there kasi that's the lot that one.
last time.
Yeah, maybe de.
Yeah, dito po rin.
Yeah.
Anak.
Ay na. Op. Tatu corner. Ay gagmay. Gagmay. Kanang corner ra usa oh.
Matoy.
Kanang corner de hari pikas.
Matoy. Wala.
Matoy.
Kani.
Ito yung timak like.
Nan dili kalabay tong pula. Wala na.
None of those are big enough.
Huh? I don't know. Karing hari oh, karing kani oh.
Maybe try one.
Sukda. Op. Kana gamay to ring mahulog oh. Ay gilabay man tite. Hoy, kana.
Kana kulit eh.
Kare, sukod kana. Matoy.
Kamatoy. Ay, kamatoy man dagway. Wala na dako hana?
Kana tayo sa.
Oh, na usa?
Gamay, sukod.
Ay wala.
Oh, it's small.
Mo kayo.
Matoy. Yeah, they are small.
They're all small.
Oh, kani murag dako na. Ge. Sukod.
Do it from the back, pa. Don't point the crab at me.
Agoy
Oh,
balik
it's
man.
broken.
It's broken. Abot unta og dili na broken.
Yeah.
Eh.
Oh.
Ah,
I would've
see, og
reached for
taas.
Sure.
Ay.
What?
Karing iyang tugsoy.
Uy, nagkuhan. Putol.
No, naputol.
Ay, buti na.
Abot unta. Wala. 14 ka bo.
So how much? 14, right?
14
16 including.
including the small one. It's good. We got good day today. Anniversary. Okay. Okay, let's go home.
Mas daghan rong last.
Mas dagan man noon karon ng 2 hours ra.
Ay, day na ano yung oras na day mo. Goal kay daghan basta mahapon na siguro.
Ay, usahay po 0 last. Depende. Usahay 0 ang last.